你以為我牛仔啊？
I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun Quan Yi.
You are an officer of the law, same as me.
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
That's the attitude that makes us law. Loyalty, discretion, used to be more common.
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them. When you cross paths, he's cut you off.
Anything happens to me, you look after my people, okay?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. He's got fucking grabbing the bureau. Toss me off the 18K, man.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Oh, God! I'm sorry, please! No!
We must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
My best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal.
I know you have a personal stake, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
Might be time for me to make a change. Maybe go into business with Jill May.
You can't win! Kill me, and Lee will simply wipe you out.
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Shit, that's right. You're not supposed to be here, pop guy. 佢冇理由四圍走喎。同我喐佢。捉住佢。What's the knife？懟冧佢。切咗佢身袋。我懟冧佢。收啦！同我劃返佢塊面。將佢斬成兩碌。打齊佢。收啦！同我喐佢。陳撚冇冇，捅啦你。收啦！你死撚硬啊！斬成兩碌，同我喐佢。切咗佢身袋。打齊佢。將佢斬成兩碌。夠膽過嚟？
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Shit, that's right. You're not supposed to be here, pop guy. 佢冇理由四圍走喎。
I'm not scared of you.
一定會後悔。出嚟，懟冧佢！知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？專踢屎忽鬼㗎！停啊！幫大佬做嘢啊！仲有得靠樣揾食啊！捉佢一程啊！係你啊！先啦！你做咩？哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！大屌啊！有咩特別啊？專踢屎忽鬼㗎！我等我呢日好耐㗎啦！屌你老母！
Forgive me, please. I have children.
$1,000 to whoever kills this fuck. 佢喺度啊！你想殺我啊？嚇！Don't be stupid!
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stays with Big I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stays with Big Smile Lee. Kill you!
Surprise!
Shit! Time to die, Lee.
Fuck you! Fuck, Wei! 屌你老母！
You pussy!
You're done!
Piece of fucking shit. Fuck! How does it feel, pig? To know that your boss sold you out? And you fucked your way almost as bad as you fucked Jackie. You were supposed to die with Winston. Dog Eyes blew that. And that poke guy Tong, fucking worthless 撚樣. But that's okay. Because I am gonna enjoy killing you myself.
Fuck you.
開拖啊！
You want more? Is that all you got? Come on! How'd that feel?
Raymond.
Hey, easy there, Way. This man is in my custody.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yeah. Where's Pendrew?
He's up for promotion. Interpol. He's done with us.
He's dirty, Raymond. He outed me to Big Smile Lee.
Take it from me, Way. Whatever you heard, it won't matter. The only voice they hear is Pendrew's. You did what you came here to do, all right? Let's get you cleaned up.
Jay? What the fuck? Uncle Po? Pendrew? What the hell?
Superintendent Pendrew, I'm surprised to see you. You're the one who chased my boys away?
Poe, you know why I'm here.
I can imagine all sorts of reasons. I'm sure you will tell me.
I'm moving on to greener pastures, but not without taking care of some unfinished business with you and Sonny first.
We had a deal, did we not, Pendrew? I gave you the 3 Tigers. It made your career.
And I let you and Sonny continue operating.
A sacrifice you were willing to make.
At the time. I'm putting Sonny away, and with you gone, I'll finish this once and for all.
The only difference between you and me is... I know what I am.
Jesus Christ. Pendrew, I've got you, you son of a bitch.
What would you like me to say? Whatever I did, I made Hong Kong a better place. I served the greater good. But you let them get to you. You abandoned your duty, officer, and became one of them. You deserve to be handed over to Big Smile Lee.
Did I? Well, Pendrew, I guess everyone gets what he deserves. Including you. You ready for life in prison?
What?
Because all your old buddies are gonna be waiting for you. I made sure they found out what you did to Uncle Po.
That's a fucking death sentence.
I know.
Where you can't. I won't last a day in there.
That's the plan. Inspector,
Officer?
I just wanted to say thanks.
For what? It's me who should
For helping me close cases. Do something I can feel good about. Hell, for helping me stay sane.
My pleasure. So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Job's over, but I don't really have anywhere else to go. Strange to say it after all that's happened, but Hong Kong kind of feels like home.
Yeah. But which Hong Kong, officer?
And what about Wei Shen?
He proved himself to be loyal to me, one way or the other. And isn't that what really matters? Leave him be.
Yes, Aunt Jane. Drive.